An architectural masterpiece, this custom home offers spectacular four-mountain views, the finest in all the metro area. It's situated in the coveted and gated Altamont neighborhood on a huge, nearly half-acre lot atop the crown of Happy Valley. Soaring ceilings, an open floor plan, and huge windows pour in light to create your own mountain retreat. Entertain under the stars with a custom kitchen, gas fireplace, and new hot tub. The chef's kitchen features an oversized quartz island with a waterfall edge and top-of-the-line stainless appliances, including a built-in espresso machine. The butler's pantry leads to a second kitchen space, conveniently located by the elegant formal dining room. French doors open to the vaulted and roomy home office. Unwind in the main level primary suite by the fireplace while taking in the premium views or heading out to your outdoor retreat. Or recharge in the sumptuous primary bath, complete with a huge walk-in closet. From a second bedroom suite, you'll also enjoy direct access to your outdoor oasis with mountain views. This home of more than 4,800 square feet has 3 separate suites on this main level. Upstairs, you'll find a cozy library nook, and a large bonus room with a wet bar is ready for movie or game night. And you'll find a large 4th bedroom plus another full bath. This newer construction home has it all with designer finishes and a functional layout. The Colossal 4-car garage has ample storage. Discover one of the region's most mesmerizing properties. It's all here on Scott Summit Court, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.